All right, folks, Bob here. So this is going to be kind of a product review. These are supposed to be the JIS Drive Japanese. They call them Japanese screwdrivers. Supposed to be a precision screwdriver. And I run into these situations, especially on these rusty cars that I work on, where the screw head's a little damaged. And everybody said, get a JIS Drive screwdriver, that'll work. So I got these off of Amazon. They weren't very expensive. Can't remember off the top of my head if it was less than 20 for the set of 4. They had several different brands they were selling, but this one here was the featured Amazon deal, and it was fairly inexpensive, had good reviews. So well, we're going to try them out here soon, and I'll let you know how they do. I got a, what I run into is on these wheel lip trims, these little screws right here. I'm not taking this one off. I've got another car I'm working on. See how rusted that is? And regular screwdrivers is difficult as hell. And you don't really want to drill them out. That screw is hard and you'll damage the trim. I'm going to try to sell the trim. So hopefully a little shot of some liquid wrench and precision screwdriver. And we'll go. So I'll, when I get around to using them, I'll add that to this video. So we're going to pause it for right now. Well, folks, the screwdrivers worked. I had 2 that were stuck, couldn't get them loose. This one and that one. I'm trying to get this fender well trim, fender well trim off of this car. I already had broken a few loose with the regular screwdrivers, but I had 2 that would not come out. And I tried the small one first, and it worked on this one. The small one did. It don't work great, but it does work. When I went to this one, it wouldn't work, so I got the next size up, that one. Let me get you in here. Left my tripod at the other shop. Look at there. All right, let me go ahead and take these off. How about that? All right, so these do work. This I bought them off Amazon. Because I tried like 8 or 10 different screwdrivers that I've got in my collection of about 30 screwdrivers, and that was the only sizes that was close enough to work, and they just would not break them loose. So that is great news. So those folks who told me the Japanese style JIS Drive screwdrivers, they are correct. That does work. How about that? All right, folks, I got all the screws out that damage them. Look at there. And if you're wanting to know what kind of car this is, it's an 81 Chrysler Imperial with the little humpback deal. J-body Mopar, they call it. And there's the aluminum trim that you can hardly find anymore. Pay big bucks for the NOS one. So once I get all 4 of these off, I will put these up for sale. So I'm not in a real big hurry because it's like 100 degrees out here today. I just wanted the curiosity was killing me. I wanted to see if these things worked. Awesome. All right, let me get a little plastic bag to put these screws in, and I'm going to tag this which side of the car this came off. Folks, thank you very much for watching the video. I hope that helped you guys. I know a lot of you guys work on these old stuff, and you folks like me just working out of your garage at home, you're not professional mechanics, and this appears to be the trick. This would definitely, I didn't pay much for them, 20 bucks maybe. So you know, it may not work every time, but it worked this time. I won't use them some more, but I think in my evaluation this was money well spent. So folks, hit that thumbs up button, like this video, and if it really would be helpful if you could watch another video or 2, that really shows YouTube and the algorithm that the folks out there are liking the content I'm bringing. If you could watch a second video, even a third. We've got most of the videos in that 5 to 8 minute range, and I think we got a lot of good stuff on the channel. Scroll down, find something that interests you, and click on it, and please watch it and hit that like button. It really does help the channel. So we continue to try to bring you folks content here that the average guy would like when you're working on these old cars. Thank you, folks. Bob out.